Listen and match the names of tools and devices with the picture. Tools and devices. People have always been using and improving their tools and devices. It is difficult to imagine life without them. Some of the tools and devices have become very common. See if you know them.
Tools we use in the garden. 1. It is one of the oldest tools. We use it to break up the soil and make it soft. 2. This tool is used for digging earth or sand. It is usually made of metal and has a handle, often made of wood. The metal part is pushed into the ground with a foot. 3. This gardening tool is used for making the soil flat and soft or gathering dead leaves or dry grass. 4. This is a metal tool or weapon. It is used for cutting. Gardeners often use them to cut off tree branches.
Tools we use in the factory. 1. It is a tool with a heavy metal head for striking things or breaking them. This tool is often used by people who work with wood, but practically every family has one at home. 2. This tool can be hand-driven or power-driven. It is used for cutting hard materials, usually wood. It has a lot of sharp teeth on the edge. 3. This tool has 2 arms that move. The arms are joined at one end. The tool is used for holding different things. 4. This is one of the oldest tools. The earliest ones were made of stone. One part of it is made of metal, and it is rather heavy. This part has a cutting edge. The tool is used for cutting down trees and chopping wood.
Devices we use at home. 1. It is an electrical apparatus for making toast, slices of dried bread, usually eaten with butter and jam, honey or marmalade. 2. It is a machine that washes plates, cups, mugs and other things. They are becoming more and more common and popular, but not so many people have them. 3. It's an apparatus on which hot food is prepared. It works on gas or electricity and can be found in every modern house. 4. It's an electric apparatus which cleans floors, floor covering and furniture by collecting dirt. Modern models are very powerful. Nowadays it is difficult to imagine a house or an office without it. 5. These devices have become very common. They are used for washing clothes. Some of them can not only wash but dry. 6. This device is used for making coffee at home. 7. It is a container for making hot water. As a rule, people use it to prepare a tea or instant coffee. 8. It is a device that cooks food very quickly by passing electricity through it. 9. An electric device that is used to make clothes look tidy after washing them. For example, it may be used for pressing skirts and trousers.